Hey everyone, and welcome to the John Louis Memory School. Today, we're going to tackle something that drives a lot of people crazy, remembering the names and the chemical formulas for the ores of aluminum. But don't worry, we're going to make it fun. Ready to make chemistry stick for good? Let's do this.
Memorizing chemical formulas, am I right? It's the worst. You're just staring at this jumble of letters and numbers, trying to burn it into your brain through sheer force of will. It's boring, it's frustrating, and honestly, it barely ever works. But what if there was a better way?
That's right. We are going to toss that old way of memorizing right out the window. Today, we're using the mental movie technique. We're going to take this dry, boring data and turn it into an epic story, a blockbuster film playing right inside your head. And trust me, you won't be able to forget it.
Okay, so every good movie needs a hero, right? Well, meet our star. The lead role in our film goes to the Aluminium robot. This guy is going to be our main character, the hero that connects every single thing we're about to learn.
Now, I really want you to get a clear picture of him. Seriously, close your eyes for a second if you need to. Picture this shiny, adventurous aluminum robot. Maybe he's got a few scuffs and dents from his past adventures. Got him? Good. He is the key to this whole thing.
All right, people, places, quiet on the set. The cameras are rolling, and our robot's grand adventure is about to begin. We're going to follow him through 3 scenes, and each scene is going to magically unlock one of those aluminum ores for us.
And for scene 1, our robot steps into the ring. He's not just some hunk of metal, oh no. In this scene, he is a world-class heavyweight champion boxer. Picture him there, gloves up, bouncing on his feet, ready for a fight.
So let's piece this together. A robot who's a boxer. What does that sound like? Bauxite. Boom, you got the name, now for the formula. Look at him, he's standing on 2 powerful legs, right? That's your Al2. And on his gloves, he's got 3 blinged out championship rings. That's your O3. And man, after a fight like that, he is parched. He grabs not 1, not 2, but N, a whole bunch of water bottles, and just starts chugging. And that gives us the last part, NH2O.
Okay, hit pause. Freeze that frame in your head, right now. A boxing robot, 2 legs, 3 rings, chugging water like there's no tomorrow. That, my friends, is bauxite, Al2O3 times NH2O. You've got it. It's locked in.
Okay, on to scene 2. Our champ is fresh off his big win, he's showered, and now he's heading to a fancy awards gala. A sports gala, to be exact. And look at him. He's traded his boxing shorts for a very dapper little tie. What a transformation.
So where's the name hidden this time? Well, he's wearing a tie at a sports event. Tie. Sports. Diaspora. You see it? It's right there. And hey, it's the same robot hero. So of course, he's still got those 2 legs. That's our Al2. And he's still wearing his 3 shiny rings. That's our O3. But here's the twist. He's not a sweaty boxer anymore. He's a gentleman. So he's not gulping down water. No. He politely sips from 1 single glass of water. Just 1. Just H2O.
All right, freeze frame again. Our robot looking sharp in his tie at the sports event. Same 2 legs, same 3 rings, but with just 1 classy glass of water. And that's diaspora, Al2O3.H2O. Easy.
Now, for the final scene, and every good movie needs a little romance, right? Across the crowded gala, our hero's metallic eyes lock with another robot, a beautiful female robot. Her name is Kaolin. Okay, let's break down this little meet cute. Her name is Kaolin, which gives us our ore, kaolinite. Simple enough. Now, she's also an aluminum robot, so she has 2 legs, giving us Al2. But she's a bit shy. When our hero approaches, she gets all flustered and stammers, see, she says it twice. That gives us Si2. And look, in her hands, she's holding a bundle of 5 bright, beautiful oranges. That's our O5. Our hero is just totally smitten. He's so surprised and delighted, he just shouts out, "Oh," 4 times. Oh. And that's our final piece, OH4. So let's burn this final image into our brains. Our hero meets Kaolin. She has 2 legs, Al2. She shyly says, sit twice, sit2. She's holding 5 oranges, O5, and our hero shouts, "Oh," 4 times, OH4. And just like that, you know the formula for kaolinite, Al2, sit2, O5, OH4. Fantastic. The movie's a wrap. Wasn't that great? Now it's time to roll the director's commentary. Let's take a quick peek behind the curtain at the actual science and see why these formulas work the way they do. Okay, think of this as the basic physics of our movie's universe.
In chemistry, ions have charges. Aluminum is a really positive character, always walking around with a +3 charge. Oxygen is a bit of a downer, with a -2 charge. And the hydroxide group, OH, is just a little bit negative at -1. The whole goal in nature is for these charges to balance each other out to get to 0.
So let's look at the core of our robot, Al2O3. Why that exact combination? Well, if you have 2 aluminum ions, that's 2 times +3, for a total positive charge of +6. To balance that perfectly, you need 3 oxygen ions, which is 3 times -2, for a total negative charge of -6. What's +6 and -6? 0! It's a perfectly balanced, stable compound. That's the science.
So let's tie this back to our story. Bauxite is simply that stable aluminum oxide, but it's bonded with a variable or random amount of water, just like our thirsty boxer chugging in bottles. Diaspore is the same thing, aluminum oxide, but bonded with one fixed water molecule, just like our proper robot with his single glass. And kaolinite? It's a completely different structure, a layered clay made of an aluminum hydroxide part and a silicate part, just like our story where Callan brought Psi and OH into the picture.
Okay, you've seen the film, you've heard the director's commentary, you think you've got it. I bet you do. Let's find out right now. It's time for a rapid-fire memory test. Let's go.
First question. Think back to scene 1, the very beginning. In the bauxite scene, what was our robot's job?
A boxer? Yes, and boxer sounds like bauxite. See? You didn't even have to try. The memory is just there.
All right, next one, scene 2. Our robot is looking sharp at that sports gala. How much water did he drink? Exactly, just 1. Because he was being all proper, which gives us the formula Al2O3.H2O. It actually works.
And that, right there, is the power of turning boring facts into an exciting story. You're not just memorizing, you're experiencing and understanding. A huge thank you to Memory Grandmaster John Lewis for this incredible technique. So my question for you is, what mental movie will you create? Let us know in the comments what tough topic you want us to turn into a blockbuster next. Thanks for coming to the John Lewis Memory School.